same photos as the vinyl. Really nice yellow colour. 2 photos of Gracie here. So this has us featuring Taylor Swift. This is what the CD looks like. Today we'll be looking at The Secret of Us on CD and vinyl. So I have it both on CD and vinyl, so we're just going to go through it and review it together. So let's start with the CD first. So this is a CD. I got it from HMV about a week after the album came out for $12.99 British pounds. And yeah, so this is just the standard front cover. Obviously now we have the deluxe version on CD and vinyl as well, but this is just the standard one. There we go. And then this is the back. There we go. So this has 13 tracks on, and then there's also a track featuring Taylor Swift on here as well, which is a track 5. So yes, that's just the front and back, and then this is the side. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. That is the side. So let's open it. So this is what you see when you open the CD. We have the actual CD itself, which is this like blue and white cloud mixture thing combination for the actual CD, and then all the writing is in yellow with the Secret of Us font, and then it has all the tracks on the CD as well. So that's just the CD, and then this is the photo behind the CD, and then I'm going to show you the lyric booklet now. So you're not actually getting many pictures. Obviously with a lot of Taylor Swift albums, you're getting loads of pictures in the lyric booklet, but this one is just nice and simple. So this is the photo behind the lyric booklet, and then obviously you have the album cover. So this is just what it looks like. It basically just has the same colours of that blue and white and then the yellow writing, but like in the lyric booklet essentially. So this is just what it looks like. There we go. And then, so here's like her thank you note and like everyone that was included. And I think Taylor Swift is in this as well. Yes, Taylor Swift is just there. And then we have all the credits to the songs. And that is the lyric booklet. So that is the CD. Obviously I am now a vinyl collector, but originally I would just be collecting CDs, and I'm definitely glad I did start collecting vinyl, because you're not getting all of these like fun pressings on like CD, obviously, because it's just printed. But yes, so I am gonna take out the vinyl just because I store it in like anti-static sleeves and stuff. I will be doing a separate video on all of my vinyl care, so that should be up soon. But this is the vinyl. So obviously you have a lot bigger album cover. I feel like album covers just look so much better on vinyl. But this is what it looks like. And then this is the back. You have the same back. Now obviously I put mine in a protective sleeve. I'm just gonna pretend that did not happen. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the sleeve. And then this is the middle. You just have these 2 pictures. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pictures are exactly the same on the vinyl. And then here is where you would find the vinyl. Obviously, I keep mine in like better packaging, because these aren't the best for your vinyls if you want to collect long term. So that's why I get all of this extra vinyl care, just to make sure it's nice and protected. But again, you just have that same blue and white cloud theme, and then the yellow writing. And then this is the pressing that I got. So I actually got this gifted to me, so thank you so much. But I think there was a couple versions of this. There was like a pink one, I think an orange one if I'm not wrong. But obviously yellow matches the best with this album, and it's a very highlighter yellow essentially. So you have side A here, and then side B as well. So the center stickers are completely the same. and it just has the tracks there. So that is the vinyl. Now in terms of size comparison, obviously we all know which one's like the smaller one. But yeah, so let's put them next to each other. But that is my review on the CD and vinyl. Thank you so much for watching.